Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Locket app stuck on loading screen on iPhone. If Locket won't move past the opening screen, don't worry, it's usually a simple connection or cache issue. Here's the step-by-step fix. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a weak or unstable connection. Locket needs a stable network to load your account or photos. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and find Locket and swipe it away completely. Then reopen it to refresh the session. Next, go to Safari to clear your Safari cache and cookies. Go to Settings, Safari, and then clear history and website data to clear your Safari cache cookies. Locket uses Safari's background sessions, and clearing them often fixes infinite login loading loops. Next, what you're gonna do is you have to restart your phone. Press the power button and the volume button together. Slide to power off, wait 10 seconds and power it back on. This clears temporary background processes that block the app from loading properly. After that, you'll have to update or reinstall Locket and then disable any VPN or proxy temporarily. Some VPNs can interfere with Locket's connection to its servers. Turn off your VPN, reopen the app to see if it loads correctly. Privacy tip: only use the official Locket app from the App Store. The third party or modded versions can cause endless loading issues and pose security risks. Quick fix: if it's still stuck, turn on airplane mode and off to reset the network quickly. Try opening Locket after a full restart and wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to reconnect. And if the issue persists, check the Locket social media or website. Sometimes server outages can temporarily cause this error, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.